Construct an angle DAB equals to 58 degrees. So mark the position of B clearly. So given the line, I have A, B, C. However, I need angle DAB. All right. So which means that when we read the angle, point D, all these are called points, point A, B, C. So point D must be connected to point A. And then A is connected to B. So which we obviously see already A is connected to B. So D should be somewhere here. Okay, so D must connect to A or could be here, could be here. Okay, later we'll figure that out, right? So now this is where you need to begin using your protractor. So your protractor will tell you how to read the angle and how to draw the angle out. Okay, so put your protractor, the center point of the protractor, you will notice that there's a base point, there's a middle base point on your protractor, and you're going to place that at point A here. Okay, so it looks like that, yeah, your protractor. So notice this little line, okay, and the horizontal line must fall in line, must overlap your line AB. Okay, so it should be a very perfect, like right angle, small little right angle here. All right, so this horizontal line must fall in place, must overlap the AB. Now, and you are going to look at 58 degrees. Okay, so this is a 0. So when you read it up, it's in increasing order. Now, when you read, right, how do I know which one to read, the inside or the outside marking? So this is where you have to first ask yourself, is 58 degrees a more than right angle, or is it lesser than a right angle? I'm sure all of you can tell me this is less than a right angle because a right angle is a 90 degrees, right? Perfect L shape perpendicular. Okay, so this is smaller than a right angle. Now, which means that my angle, my line that I draw, it should fall within here, the one that I'm pointing now. Okay, 58 degrees should fall within here. You should look at the inner numbers and not outer numbers. Because if you look at the outer numbers, they are obviously 100, more than 100 really, right? 100 plus. Okay, so we're going to look at the inside numbers. So when you read it upwards in increasing order. 58 degrees should be somewhere here. So you have 50, this is 60, right? So you look at the middle point here. Okay, can you see this middle point is 55? There's a longer line over there. All right, 50, 55. So you're going to read slowly. Where's 56, 57, 58? I hope you're using your pencil to point and count. Use your mechanical pencil to point and count. And you will realize that 58 degrees should be there. Okay, now I know over here they already draw the line for you. Obviously, you can't draw over your protractor, right? So what I suggest you to do is when you mark out 58 degrees, you can do this. Okay, I'm going to use a blue pen so that you know where I'm pointing at. So 58 degrees. Okay, mine may not be the most accurate, yeah? So I'm just trying my best to do it on the slide here. Somewhere here. Okay, so I see I use my pencil to mark it out. So you should do the same as well. Use your pencil to do a small marking of 58 degrees. And then this way you can lift up your protractor, remove away your protractor, use a ruler and join them up. When you place your rulers such that this marking is in line with your ruler, okay, so that you can join it up until it reaches this point. So use your ruler, join it up until you reach your, okay, no matter how long the line is, it doesn't matter, okay, the length of line does not matter. So once you have drawn it, then you can mark out your angle, put your point D, don't forget, and then write down 58 degrees. You might want to double check if it's really 58 degrees by placing your protractor back onto this and reading the angle from your protractor to see if it's really 58 degrees. All right. So at most, we will accept within a 1 degree range. If it shows 59 degrees, okay, fair enough, we will accept that. Human error, yeah. If it's 57 degrees, that's fine also, okay, but nothing more than plus minus 1 degree.